Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Vinted website and I'll be explaining to you guys how can you get your refund on Vinted. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you'll have to open up your chat or your inbox with the user or the seller that you want to claim a refund for. So here I open up an article that explains it step by step. First of all, once you're in the conversation screen with your seller, you will have 2 days after the order was marked as delivered to file for a refund. Now, how to start with the process? You will press I have an issue button in your conversation screen. After that, the Vinted website recommends that you chat to the seller or contact them. So first of all, you will type with and you will chat with the seller in order to resolve the problem. You will give them reasons why do you need a refund, what happened, is it damaged, did it arrive at all, and once you do so, you will return the item by first of all giving all of the arguments why you want to return it. So then you will return it and then receive a refund to the same e-wallet or account that you originally paid from. The refund processing time depends on the payment method initially used for this order. So that's it. That's essentially how you make a refund on Vinted. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.